Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe. Even I am doing good. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Anjali and you're watching Ashi's Heaven. Everyone are doing good, and if you are a new member to my family, so welcome to our family. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button right below, and at the same time hit the bell icon right next to it so that you will receive the notifications of each and every video as and when I upload without any delay. So without much late, let's get started. Okay, so today's video is all about a review. So in today's video, I'm gonna review this particular product, which is Nykaa Wanderlust Hawaiian Jasmine body butter. So this is a body butter. So body butter is mostly essential during monsoon, winter. So as now currently, monsoon has hit everywhere. So every part of the region you have monsoon right now. You have rainy seasons, and a lot of rains are also coming in each and every area. So if I thought I'll just make a review of this so that if anyone is interested in this particular product, will definitely help them. So this is my, I should say this is my new purchase. So this is my new trial towards using this Nykaa's body butter. So as currently everywhere you have rains, so with that you also have a very cool weather right now everywhere, and with that your skin is already dried, right? So to avoid that dryness and keep your skin hydrated and moisturized throughout the day, you will definitely have to use either a body lotion or a body butter to keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. So in that I would suggest this Nykaa Wanderlust body butter is just amazing in that way, because this keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day, guys. Because me being personally using, I really like the consistency, and at the same time the moisturization it is giving is just amazing, guys. So I really liked it. And one thing I have to talk about this Nykaa range is this Nykaa is providing a lot of variants available in this, like strawberry and lavender. You have fruit flavor, you have floral flavor, everything. There are n number of variants available in this particular body butter. So in which I have chose to purchase is this Hawaiian Jasmine, which is a floral fragrance. So this is like a jasmine fragrance it has, and I really liked it, guys. One thing I really liked about it, this has a very strong smell of jasmine, and it is not irritating. It is like very soothing smell. It keeps you fresh all the day, so it gives a fresh feel to yourself because it has that mild jasmine kind of a fragrance. And at the same time you have this available in n number of sizes. So it is this is actually 50 ml packaging. So if you don't want to use a lot of product, then you can stick towards the smaller packages. And if you want to really use a very big quantity, then you can go for the bigger packages available. Like you have 100 to 50 ml also available. So in that way you can go for bigger ones as well. So this is so I'll just quickly talk about this particular product. So this is Wanderlust Hawaiian Jasmine body butter. Okay, it has shea and cocoa butter along with this fragrance of jasmine. I really agree with this because it has a strong fragrance of jasmine. And this is 50 ml packaging, as I have already told you. This is cruelty free, and this is vegan, and this is paraben and SS free as well. So you can safely use on your skin. This is 249 rupees, and I believe currently you have a hot pink sale going on, and you will definitely get this in up to 30% offer for sure, guys. So you will get this for a decent price. So if you are looking to purchase, this is the right time. Go and grab the product because you have a number of offers going on in Nykaa currently. So this is how it looks packaging wise. This is super sturdy, and I really like this is a plastic tub, and I really like the packaging. So packaging wise it is super sturdy, and if you just open it, you have to just twist it down. If you just open it, it comes like this. There is nothing on the top of it, like you don't have any aluminum foil or anything. Nothing is provided directly. If you just open, you have the product inside, and this is how it looks. This is the product. And right after you open it, it is like a it is really superb, as if you have freshly plucked jasmine flowers with you. In that way it gives a very fresh smell of jasmine. I really like this smell, guys, because amazing smell, amazing fragrance of jasmine it has. I really like this, and you can see this is how it looks. The product is inside like that. And if I have to speak about the consistency wise, it is not that thick, and at the same time it is so creamy and smooth, guys. So if you just apply it onto your skin, it nicely melts into your skin, and it goes very well with your skin. It blends smoothly into your skin, and it moisturizes your skin for so long. So I've been using this since so many days and I'm really liking during this particular weather. It is so cool outside, but still it is hydrating my skin so well. So I really like the consistency and the performance wise. It is so good. It is giving you, it keeps your skin moisturized throughout the day. I really liked. And this is not that sticky in consistency. This is not that light. It lies in between. It gives, a decent amount of moisturization to your skin. This is what I really liked. And fragrance is so mild and so superb. Overall, I really like this. And on a scale of 10, if I have to rate, I'll just give 8 out of 10 because this product is just superb, guys. And if you are looking out to purchase this particular product, you can definitely go for it, guys, because this is just superb. Hydration wise, it is just amazing. It gives you a very good hydration to your skin, and it keeps your skin so hydrated, and it doesn't give an oily look to your skin at the same time, but it gives you a very good hydration. This is what I really liked, guys. So overall, I will give a very good thumbs up for this product. I really like it, and if anyone is looking out to purchase this particular product, please go for it. This is just superb. You have, bigger sizes as well. Bigger tubs are also available in this particular product. So yeah, overall, I am just happy with this product. So this is superb, I should say. This is a great product to invest in. So now that you have hot pink sale going on, please do not hesitate. If anyone is looking out to purchase this is the right time for you to grab this product in, very low price. So please do check the offers and grab this in your favorite, amazing deals, I should say. So yeah, if anyone of you are looking, please go for it. This is an amazing product. So that's all, guys. So that's all about this review, and I am highly satisfied using this body butter. I really liked it, and this is suitable for all skin types. So yeah, that's all, guys. So hope you have liked my video. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. So see you soon in other video. Till then, bye and take care.